So why natural health? Right here is my reason for why natural health. When I was about 22, I had visited multiple gynecologists, fertility specialists, and was told at that point that there would be very, very little chance that I'd be able to have children, even with medical assistance. Fast forward 10 years later, and I met my now husband, Dr. Tim. Once we got serious, I told him like, hey, this is what I've been told. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to have children. And so he said, well, tell me what they told you. So I told him everything that the doctors had told me. I'd gone to 3 different specialists, and essentially between my polycystic ovarian syndrome, I only had 1 fallopian tube and 1 ovary, and then also had some endometriosis. Between those 3 things, they said, probably not gonna happen. Tim's response to that was, oh, that's easy. So he started me on chiropractic care, supplements, and purification program. At the end of the purification program, much to both of our surprise, we ended up pregnant with pagers. Over the next 5 years, ended up having 3 more kids for a total of 4 kids for somebody that was told they may not ever have children. So why am I so into natural health? I have 4 beautiful reasons why right here.